any, not money, okay? If we say what, asking for a specific thing or object. Okay, you answer me a specific thing. For example, what is this? Okay, you are asking. So what is this? What is this? Tell me, what's this? This is a marker. Okay. Now, this is what is this? Sharpener. It is sharpener. It is sharpener. Now, what is this? Okay. It's an eraser. Okay. Now, what is this? Pencil. It's a pencil. Okay. Now, what color is this? Color blue. How about this one? White and color? This one. Color blue. Okay. How about this one? What color is this? Color? Is this red? Color? Pink. Look at the watermelon. This is color red. How about this one? This color? The penguin. Color? White. White and? Blue and? Yellow. Okay. Now, what is this? What is this? Is this a book? This is a notebook. Notebook. Okay. This is one. Notebook. This one. Marker. This one. Eraser. This one. Pencil. Okay. That's what we call what. We are asking a specific question. Okay. Capybara notebook. This is a notebook. Okay? Okay. How about how many? How about how many? How many? Okay. How many? This one, how many? This. How many? How many? What is this?